Yoga, a way of life. Yoga is one of the 6 Astic schools of Hindu philosophical tradition, and today we at Intellify will tell you how yoga can be your way of life. So let's start by understanding what is yoga. Yoga is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices or disciplines which originated in ancient India. Yoga has a long history of helping people achieve mental and physical balance. It is well known for its posture and poses and stabilizing the body's spiritual energy. Philosophy. To convey its spiritual message and guide sessions, yoga often use the imaginary of a tree with roots, a trunk, branches, blossoms and fruit. The 6 branches are Hatha Yoga. This is the physical and mental branch designed to prime the body and mind. Raja Yoga. This branch involves meditation and strict adherence to a series of disciplinary steps known as the 8 limbs of yoga. Karma Yoga. This is a path of service that aims to create a future free from negativity and selfishness. Bhakti Yoga. This aims to establish the path of devotion, a positive way to channel emotions and cultivate acceptance and tolerance. Jnana Yoga. This branch of yoga is about wisdom, the path of the scholar, and developing the intellect through study. Tantra Yoga. This is the pathway of ritual, ceremony, or cosmolation of a relationship. Chakras. The word chakra literally means spinning wheel. Yoga maintains that chakra are center points of energy, thoughts, feelings, and the physical body. And when energy becomes blocked in a chakra, it is said to be triggered physical, mental, or emotional imbalances. There are 7 major chakras are Sahasrara, Ajna, Vishuddha, Ananta, Manipura, Swasthyahatana, Muladhara. There are many styles of yoga like Asana Yoga. Asana applies 6 established sequence of posture that rapidly link every moment of breath. Bikram Yoga. Bikram occurs in artificially heated rooms at temperature of nearly 105 degrees and 40% humidity. It consists of 26 poses and a sequence of 2 breathing exercises. Hatha Yoga. This is a generic term for any type of yoga that teaches physical posture. Iyengara Yoga. This type focuses on finding the correct alignment in each pose using a range of props. Jiva Mukti Yoga. Jiva Mukti means liberation while living. This type incorporates spiritual teachings and practices. Kripalu Yoga. This type teaches practitioners to know, accept and learn from the body. Kundalani Yoga. Kundalani means coiled like a snake. Kundalani Yoga is a system of meditation that aims to release pent-up energy. Power Yoga. Practitioners develop this active and athletic type of yoga based on traditional Ashtanga system. Shivananda. This philosophy maintains that proper breathing, relaxation, diet, exercise and positive thinking work together to form a healthy yogic lifestyle. Vini Yoga. Vini Yoga can adapt to any person regardless of physical ability. Yin. This is quite meditative yoga practice. Yin Yoga allows the release to tension in key joints. Prenatal Yoga. Prenatal Yoga uses posture that practitioners have designed for pregnant women. Restorative Yoga. This is a relaxing method of yoga using props in order to sink into deep relaxation without exerting any efforts in holding the pose. Yoga can help support a balanced, active lifestyle and focuses on stretches and poses designed to stimulate inner peace and physical energy. If you learned something from this video, do like and share and subscribe to our channel for more such video. Thank you for watching our video.